Hello and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to go over cursive letter Q, upper and lower case. Alright, don't forget to tilt your paper. Tilt your paper with your right corner going down and your left corner or side of your paper tilting up. Alright, and don't forget about your pencil. The first 3 fingers is what holds the pencil. The other 2 fingers lay on the paper to help to give you more stability. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm first writing my lines in order to remind myself to slant my letter. So the first part of the capital cursive Q, you make that loop and your half of a heart. Go down to your red line, make a big loop down there, cross back over that line, go down below the red line, and finish. A cursive Q looks like a number 2. Okay? Let's do it again. Start at the blue line, make your teardrop or loop, make your half of a heart, come down to the red line, curve, make a little bigger loop, cross that line, go down below the red line, and finish. Make your loop, make your half of a heart, go down to the red line, make a bigger loop, cross that line, go underneath the red line, and stop. Start again, make your loop, make your half of a heart, curve down at the red line, make a bigger loop, cross that line, go underneath the red line, and stop. Do it again. Start at the blue line, make your loop, make your half of a heart, go down to the red line, make a bigger loop, go down to the red line, below the red line, and come back up to the red line and stop. One last time. Make your loop, make your half of a heart, make your bigger loop, cross, go down below the red line, and come back up. Now, if you know this step, if you know this letter, then you can practice. You can stop the video and practice on your own, or you can go back to the beginning and practice with me again. That's the beauty of video. Okay, so lowercase q, I'm making my 3 slant lines, and it starts like this. Right below the dotted blue line, like your cursive lowercase a, you want to make your oval. Then you want to trace back a little bit, slant that line, make a loop, meet it back here at the bottom red line, and then make your tail. Okay? Let's do some more of those. You want to take it, start right below the dotted blue line with your pencil, make your oval, go and meet back up where you started, trace down, bring your loop to the right, meet it right there, and finish it off. Okay? So let's keep doing that for a moment. Make the oval, make the loop, meet it up there, and make your tail. Oval, loop, meet it, make the tail. Oval, loop, make your 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 tail. Now that was great. Great practice. You can continue to practice and do your letters. Q is a letter that's simply its own, except for all the letters that have the half of heart. It's just like doing those letters, okay? So let's see, what letter starts off with that? Well, you have K that starts off with the half of a heart, right? You have H that starts off with the half of a heart. So those letters are similar in how you start. And then of course you have all the letters, the lowercase, that has the oval. You have D, you have A, you have lower q, lowercase q, and all of those letters have the oval at the beginning. Okay? So practice your letters. You'll get much better at them the more that you do it. And so your Q's will get better. And so will the rest of your letters. Thank you for tuning in. See you next video.